Welcome back to another quick video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the privacy screen on the 2020 and 2021 Hyundais. What I'm showing you is on a Santa Fe, but this is pretty similar as well to the Tucsons and the Palisades. So first off, when you have your privacy screen, it's going to look like this. There are instructions on here, but I'm going to go ahead and break it down for you just in case you have a question or two about what's that even saying to you. So this Santa Fe is right off out of the factory, right off the truck, so it still has the wrapping here. But the main thing you got to worry about is just the ends. You'll have a couple of ridges up here, and that's to grip onto the ends. And without a tripod, I'm going to try the best to my ability to show you what you're supposed to do. But on both ends, what you're going to do is compress in, and that's going to be able to bring the springs in, and you're going to be able to remove the that bracket there without actually damaging the sides. So let me go ahead and attempt to show you, at least with one hand, just kind of compressing to the right. So all you would do is grip it, compress it, and see how it just comes right on out, being aware that you don't want to scrape the inside of that plastic right there. And when you do that, you got it to compress the other side. That way the bracket doesn't get stuck down here anywhere. So I couldn't really show you with one hand that portion. I had to do that kind of off camera, but there you have it. And then the installation is going to be the same way. You're going to go ahead and put one end in, compress the other side, and then install it like so. And it's pretty much the same way you would compress the springs, put one end in, and while holding this end, I'm going to try to do this without. There we go. Holding this end in, you would have that spring compressed and then just guide it into the notch there. Alright guys, that's that quick video, the installation and removal of the privacy screen bracket. If the video helped you out, give it a like, and see you next time.